It's unlikely that the sisters have ever seen a mole rat before.
By neutralizing the sulfur compounds in her diet, she removes the scent from her urine. 6 cubs are a handicap for a stealth predator. So this is the safest time to leave her cubs and head out alone. A family-sized meal.
This female walrus is shielding her pup if he can just prise her off. The bear's claws and teeth can't penetrate her thick hide. With the herd retreating to water, the bear must move quickly. Having failed with one, he heads straight for another. The chance of his first meal in months is slipping away. He seems increasingly desperate. It's now or never. He must avoid the stabbing tusks if he's to win. The flailing walrus is immensely powerful and drags the bear away from the shallows towards the safety of the herd. It slips from his grasp.
Ambush predator. He needs to get within just a few feet. Cover blown. He's forced to attack from 100 feet. In the thin mountain air, every stride uses precious energy. On the sheer cliffs, all it takes is one slip. No leopard, the ghost of the mountains, and the Himalayas' ultimate stealth hunter.
He's a gonna. Hasn't yet.